Welcome to my channel Digital Dynamite Hub. Today's review Corel Painter Essentials 8. What is Corel Painter Essentials 8? A beginner-friendly digital art program that blends simplicity with powerful features. No 170 plus brushes, mimic real tools like pencils, watercolors, and oils, or try digital-only brushes, e.g., particles, patterns. No 2. AI magic, instantly turn photos into paintings or sketches. No 3. Works everywhere, compatible with Windows, Mac, including M1 chips, and iPad, via Sidecar. No 4. No subscriptions, pay once, own it forever. Benefits for beginners. 1. Learn fast, built-in tutorials guide every step. 2. Experiment safely, undo mistakes easily. 3. Professional results, impressive art without advanced skills. Corel Painter Essentials 8 removes the fear of digital art. Paint, edit photos, or sketch with tools that feel natural. Affordable, easy, and powerful, it's the ultimate starter kit for creativity. Ready to start? Grab your copy today and join the digital art revolution.